Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Alisha and we are in a different background. If you didn't already tell, it's not my kitchen. There's two reasons for that. One is because I've just broken my tripod and this camera is too heavy to hold vlogging style and I just couldn't find anywhere in my kitchen to get everything in shot. And secondly, because I want to talk about something slightly more serious today before we get into the video, and I just wanted to do it in a nice cozy background. This is my office slash chill out space. I have got a giant teddy bear called Paddington. Original name I know. Everything is pink in here. I've got loads of Disney stuff up and that's just who I am. I'm a big kid at heart. Today we are making some rainbow cookies because it's Pride Month this month, and this is my usual cookie dough recipe, but I have coloured it in rainbow colours, topped it with white chocolate chips and some rainbow sprinkles. I don't want you to think that just because I've done some rainbow cookies that's my part done in terms of pride and awareness on this topic, because it isn't. There are still some people in this world that feel like we shouldn't celebrate pride and that we shouldn't raise awareness on this topic. And I saw something on Instagram recently that's been trending to say that there are still people who would rather commit suicide than come out as who they are, and that is just heartbreaking. And until people within the LGBTQI+ community feel comfortable and safe to come out, until people don't have to come out as who they are, until it's just a normal thing to be gay or bisexual or whoever you are, then we can stop raising awareness. But until that point, we have to keep going. And I don't want you to think just because I've baked some rainbow cookies, that's it, done. I'm going to be listing some charities in the description box below. I'm going to be making a donation and I would encourage you to make a donation if you are able to. But yeah, I just wanted to say that little bit about pride and awareness on the topic first. But let's get into the video now. Let's have some fun and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, let's get started. I'm really not sure how these are going to turn out because I've never coloured my cookie dough before. So they could completely fade. They could just be a complete mess, I have no idea. I have got my butter and sugars in a bowl and I'm going to cream them together just for about a minute. Like so. Then we're going to add in an egg, and I've got some vanilla in here as well. And give that a quick mix. Then time to add the flour, and I'm going to change to a spatula because it's a bit too thick to do it with an electric mixer. I need to weigh all of this. Went straight, didn't it? What we at? 620, I think? 620, and I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colours. Let's see what that is. If you are good at maths, then feel free to do it without a calculator, but I'm not good at maths. Divided by 5, wasn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 124 grams. I'm just going to wash my hands because I have touched my phone. 124 grams. Oh, should I wear gloves? I'm going to wear gloves. I had gloves out ready because I wasn't sure if I was going to wear them or not. Okay. What did we say? 124? Should mean this is 124. Yes, spot on. That is what we like to see. 5 bits of dough. I'm using red, yellow, green, blue, purple. So I've got some cocktail sticks here. As I said before, I've got no idea how that's going to turn out because they could just fade or go like a horrible brown colour in the oven. I don't even know how it's going to taste. make when I mix this together, but we are going to find out. It's not like cake where you just mix it, or fondant. I've got to mix it. I mean, maybe I should do this in a bowl. Maybe I should do it in a bowl. I don't think I've got this many bowls though. Hang on. Let's just give it a try. Oh yeah, definitely easier in a bowl. Another bowl, another colour. Okay, colours done. I think the problem colours are going to be the blue and purple. They might just brown off and look a bit strange. So I've got some baking trays here with some greaseproof paper. And I guess now we just need to take a bit from each one and just form a little ball, I suppose. I don't really know how I'm going to do this. I'm not aiming to get like a rainbow shape because that would be near impossible, but I just want them to come together, like not mixed together, but I don't know, I've done it the wrong way as well. Oh well. I don't know if this is the right way to do it. Maybe I should have just done a ball. Oh, I don't know. They're all going to be different sizes as well, but I'm not weighing all of this. I'd be here for hours. Okay. Let's whack these in the oven and see where we get to. You want to bake them at 160 for about 8 to 10 minutes. They should be golden around the outside but still kind of wobbly in the middle. I'll start on the next ones whilst they're baking. But if they're like really bad, then I'll just abandon this video or redo them, I guess. I don't know. Put the chocolate chips in. I'll have to put them in when they get out. Oh, how silly of me. They look so good. Let's put the chocolate chips in whilst they're still hot. So I've put all of our cookies onto cooling racks to cool down, and I'm going to top it with rainbow sprinkles because why not? That is our Pride cookies complete. I'm going to let them cool down, clear everything away, and then we can do a taste test. Oh, I forgot a cookie. that's the cookies, nice and cool and ready to taste test. I just think they're so colourful. I'm really pleased with how they turned out. I didn't think the colours were going to turn out that vibrant. Soft, chewy cookies with the added extra of white chocolate chips and some sprinkles. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week for another video. Happy Pride!